Hello students, let us continue the lesson number 8, features of file management. And in my previous video already I have discussed introduction of this file management and how to create a file in Microsoft Word. Okay, if you have not watched that video, once you watch it you will come to know the points. So now in today's session we will see how to create a folder. Okay, so next point is creating a folder. So first of all, try to understand what is folder. So folder is nothing but it is a collection of files. Means we can keep the related files in a folder. Okay. Here see the points here. What is given? So first point is right click on the blank area of the desktop. So we have two mouse buttons. One is left click and one is right click. Just use that right side button on your mouse. So right click. So when you right click, you will get a shortcut menu. A shortcut menu appears. So you can see this. So this is the menu you are going to get when you right click. Okay. So this is the menu is appear. Place the pointer on the new option. A list of sub options appears. So here in this list you can see a new option is given. Okay, so this is a new option. When you take your mouse pointer over this new option, okay, automatically one more sub menu gets appear. Okay, one more sub menu gets display. Click on the folder option. A new folder icon will be displayed on the desktop. So in this sub menu you can see here we have different types of options. In this given option, select folder option. So when you click on this folder option, a new folder gets displayed on the desktop. Then when that new folder comes, then type a name for the folder at the cursor position and press the enter key. So by default that folder displays with the new folder name. Now we need to change the name of that folder. Okay, so that's why you type a new name. When you type a new name, after typing you just press the enter key, automatically that typed name displays with that icon. Okay, with that folder icon a new folder is created. Okay, so this is the way to create the folder on the desktop. Okay, see here. So as per the points I will show you. First point is right click on the blank area of the desktop. So here, just let me minimize. Okay, so this is the desktop area. So in this area, so just I'm using right click button. So when I right click, you can see here, so list of options are displaying. Okay. So right click, and so when you right click you will get a list options with the menu. Okay, so this menu is called as context menu. So then second point, that is shortcut menu appears. Already it appeared. Place the pointer on the new option, a list of sub options appears. So now you place your mouse pointer for this new option, then you will get a sub menu. Okay, sub menu you can see. So this is the sub menu with a list of options. So now move your mouse pointer to this folder option. Okay, to this folder icon. So now I'll take this mouse pointer over this folder icon, and then I will click on this folder icon. Here you can see the folder icon with this name, new folder name. So now type new name for this folder. Okay, so fourth B. Okay, fourth students. So folder name is fourth students. After typing, just press enter key on your keyboard. So when you press enter key, your folder is created. Okay, so simple way this folder gets created. You see, once again, right click on the empty area for desktop, then select new option. In a new option, select folder option. So folder icon displays with a default name is this new folder. So now just you have to type a new name for this. Okay. Write my data, or I'll type here songs. Okay, so then just press enter key, so folder gets created. Okay, then to open this folder, what you have to do, just double click on this. Okay, so when you double click, automatically that folder gets open. So in this area you can save your files, related files. So or if you want one more folder in this location, then here you can use this toolbar option to create the folder. You can create an empty folder by using this new folder option. Just click on this new folder option, then again you will get a folder icon with that default name. Then type a new, for example now I'll type Hindi songs. Okay. Then one more folder I'm going to create. English songs. Okay, then press enter key. Like this you can create a n number of folders. There is no any limitation. And so these folders, so folder, main folder is songs. So in that songs folder we have another two folders. So these folders are called as subfolder. Folder inside a folder is called as subfolder. Okay, and in this folder we can save your files. So whatever the files you have, you can save it in this location. Okay, so this is the way to create the folder. Okay, I hope you have understood this point, how to create a folder. Simple method, right click, select new option, then select folder option. So now here also same thing. Here also when you right click, again you are going to get the same menu. You can create the folder. Okay, you can follow that same method to create the folder. So for example, one more type, I'll type Kannada songs. Press enter key. So folder gets create. So right click, select new option, then select folder option. So this is a way to create the folder. I'll give a number for this, 100. Okay, so I hope you have understood this point, how to create a folder on the desktop. So if you want to create a folder in any location in your system, then just go to that location and follow the same method. Right click, new option, folder option, your folder gets create. So I hope you have understood this point, how to create a folder in a system. And in next class we'll see how to copy a file or folder. So copying a file or folder we'll discuss in next video. So if you have any questions, you can ask during online classes, and thank you for watching.